want to create a quick video to demonstrate how to work a particular problem that I'm seeing a lot of people missing. It's from exam 3, it's chapter 5, section 3, and it's number 41 in the text, which you had this problem on other assignments. And what I'm noticing is it's not about working out the math, it's about how you're putting it in the calculator that's causing you to get it incorrect. You need to remember some very specific rules. When you put something into the calculator, you've got to make sure that your parentheses are around what it is. If you're multiplying something, if you're raising something to a power, you need to put parentheses around whatever you're putting in that power. So on this particular problem, it says if the demand function for a product is given by the following equation, where P is the price per unit when X units are demanded. Okay, so P equals 400 times E raised to the negative 0.03 times X power. So the power that E is raised to is the negative 0.03 times X. Okay, that is your demand function. Then it says, what is the total revenue, R, when 190 units are demanded and supplied? So in place of X, we're going to use 190 units. So putting that into the calculator should look something like this. Your 400, okay, and then multiply, use your E. Now E is second and plus, okay. Now we need to use the power, so we need to click on the caret button, which as you see now on the screen, it's been raised up above the E because we're going to add something here into the exponent area. So I'm going to use parentheses because I want to make sure that I keep everything in the exponent area. This is where many of you are messing up when you're putting this into your calculator. So now I need to say a negative 0.03, and I want to multiply that by, here it says X, and our X is 190 units. Okay, so 190, and now I need to close parentheses. So as you see now, the exponent that E is raised to is negative 0.03 times 190 units. Okay. Now we don't have anything else to add in here, so it doesn't matter that it's still flashing up. But if you have something else that you have to add on, you have to come down and you have to click on the arrow to bring this back down to the level as the rest of the equation. Okay, and from here we want to hit enter. Okay, this is the value, okay, for 1 unit as computed by the demand function. Okay, for 1 unit it is $1.34 ish. Okay, now we are supposed to be looking for the revenue, so that revenue is on 190 units. Okay, so we're going to say we want this answer. Don't truncate this. When you truncate or when you round early, that's going to cause you to get an incorrect answer as well. So what we want to say is we want to say second and then the negative key, because right above that it says A and S, that's answer. So we want that previous answer, and to that we want to multiply it by 190 units. Enter. We get $254.29. Okay. Now our answer, it asks for round your answer to the nearest dollar. So we would input $254. And you see that that's the correct answer here for this particular problem.